Using a higher degree of robotic cleaning has a direct impact on your air quality. There's so much happening within cleaning these days. First, I would mention data or sensor-based cleaning powered by digital tools. To have the possibility to predict based on data where to clean, how often to clean, and having the right amount of cleaning, that's amazing. And we see that there's a lot of things happening both within sensors and also AI that will power that development. Second, there's an increased awareness of social and environmental sustainability. And it kind of like fits together with the first one, because when we see the environmental focus to don't have too much cleaning, that's a really important driver to have environmental sustainable delivery. We also see that using tap water, microfiber, and also robot or machine cleaning, that is what you need in most daily cleaning tasks. From a social sustainability aspect, that's also good for our employees. When we use robots, there's a lot less strain on their bodies and they can concentrate on more value-adding tasks. And it all continues into the third trend that we see. Increased well-being in the office. Our customers are more and more focusing on that aspect. If you put it all together, decreased use of detergents, that have an impact on your indoor air climate, but also using a higher degree of robotic cleaning has a direct impact on your air quality. We have actually done studies in Coor that see a significantly improvement of air quality using robotics. With so much happening in the industry, so many trends and development going on, I would say that collaboration is a key word. As a customer, involve your FM supplier. We know that 77% of Nordic FM customers, they are planning to do some changes to the office this year. And by involving your FM supplier and their ecosystem of development and startups and partners and so on, you can ensure that you have a much higher success rate of succeeding with your new office refurbishing. And from Coor's perspective, we have an amazing ecosystem. We have an internal base of employees working with improvements every day. Improvement and continuous innovation is a part of our DNA. To add to that, we have a lot of partners. We have a track record of proven success with startups. So to collaborate with us and involve us, that's a success factor. I have the best job ever. The things I'm most excited about is being a part of an industry revolution, to be a part of utilizing the development that's happening, like robots, its sensors, its digital tools, and how we can utilize that in our cleaning delivery to create actual value and well-being for people in their workplaces. That's amazing.